am so excited because we are doing a dining office makeover, and I know I mentioned this a lot if you saw my apartment tour video previously, and it took a few months to do, and honestly I had a crazy winter. I actually broke my ankle at a cycling class, so I was down bad. But as soon as I was back up on my feet, we started working on this project, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out, and I can't wait to show you. But first, I just wanted to walk you through the vibes that I'm going for. I wanted like a warm and cozy dining area, really a dining nook. And originally we had this long desk along a wall here in the apartment, so that way I could work from home and my husband could work from home. But now he's back at the office about 4 out of 5 days a week, and I still work from home for the most part. So I really wanted an office space that felt a bit more minimal and compact now that we don't need that space. In the dining area, I wanted a cozy dining nook vibes, but I still wanted it like japandi style, mid-century modern japandi. And then for the office area as well, I wanted to incorporate some art and keep it minimal and smaller and clean. So I am really happy with the way both turned out, and I ended up separating it with a giant divider. This video is actually sponsored by Flexi Spot. Shout out to Flexi Spot. They gave us an amazing standing desk that goes up and down. I've always wanted a standing desk because working from home can be so difficult sometimes, because around 3 o'clock I hit a little lull, I get really sleepy. So having a standing desk allows me to be active on my feet, focus more, and I've always enjoyed those, so I'm super excited to have one now. Thank you, Flexi Spot. Let me get into the process and show you guys how I began this makeover. Well, I began this process in the Freeform app. I really love the Freeform app. It's so cool. It's a new app to the IO system, I believe. It's like a board you can pin things to and write things on. It's really fun. I really like it. I wanted to organize the space in a way that I felt comfortable with. So that was step one, like getting the shapes together. How could I accomplish a dining and office space within that space we had previously? My mood board for the office space, just the entire space really. The main texture here, I wanted to do a really cool lime wash. We found a lime wash DIY from another creator here on YouTube. I'll link her video. And we didn't buy real lime wash paint. We used regular paint and just did a way that you can make the brush have more contrast, dark paint on one side and light paint on the other, and then going in an X crosshatch pattern and diluting it with water as you go. And I think I'm really happy with how the texture came out. It was so easy. We did it in maybe an hour or two, and I would love to do it for the rest of the apartment. So that's where we started. I wanted the base to have a lime wash, and then from there, like I mentioned, I wanted a divider for a bookcase or shelf. And I saw this insane one on First Dibs or Pinterest that was $3,000. That was my dream one. And then I found this one on Target for $400. $400. So I was so happy about that. And then I have this dining table that I really liked from Homery. Homery has really unique like japandi stuff that I thought was relatively affordable. So that was really cool. And then another couple pair of dining chairs from Wayfair for the low. So yeah, as you can see, Wayfair is my number one my number one app right now. And I can just say like dining chairs, for instance. So I hit copy. I am going to the Freeform app. And I just paste it, and it's that simple. Like, that's the way I've been mood boarding this entire time, and it's just easy to just drag things around and like make sure that everything looks great. And as I continued moving forward, I started checking off the things that I already have, things I wanted to add to the space within this app. And then I started playing around with art, which became a whole nother ordeal. So I had to make another board for the art once everything was together. And it's an easy way for me to test things out in this space because I can copy and paste an image from online and then just drop it in here on top of an image. So that's what I did. Let me show you around how things came out. has been building furniture all week, so now we can finally put all the furniture together. It's my favorite part, the design part. Put all the furniture together, see the way things look. I can do some styling with some decor we already had. Also, I'm going to Target to take a look at a few things, some decor pieces, some art hopefully that I could put above the dining nook. And if I can't find any, maybe I'll just order some online. Come along with me. And it's also snowing today, so that's kind of exciting. So I'm back from Target and Marshall's. Actually, we found a Marshall's in the mall, so we stopped there too. And I just wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got because I think they're gems, low key. And I haven't been to Target in a long time because New York, I don't have a car. But I do love Target very much, and I feel like I need to take more trips to it soon. So first, I found this cute little prairie print from Threshold. Very nice. I think it was $20, so kind of a steal. And it's really cute. I feel like it could go either in the kitchen or the bathroom. It's definitely more of a vintage style print, but it's kind of moody too, so I think it might go. We'll see, we'll see. This is a nice like rattan frame, so it adds texture. I'll be able to print some of our wedding photos and engagement photos and put them in here because we have some really nice photos now. Frame that I thought was really nice. It's going to be so great for this giant shelf that we got for the divider between the dining space and the office space, so excited about those. 5x7 wood frame too, so nice all around. So I also found this candle. This is a candle, oop. It's wild iris and santal, and I thought that it kind of has a similar refreshing smell, but with the santal to Le Labo, and we love Le Labo. So anything close to it, even though it's like, you know, just a hint close to it, so good. So I'm excited to try this one. Lastly, I have this nice, this short fat vase that has a lot of texture. It's very pretty. And I'm excited to try to put this on the bookshelves as well because I never thought I would need more decor, but with more shelves, I think I do need more decor, even though I do try to lean towards a more minimalist shelving style with not too much stuff on each shelf. Yeah, I'm just excited for these pieces to be incorporated in our apartment. At Marshall's, I found this gorgeous still life. This still life for only $16 with the frame. It could be nice in the dining area as well if I do make a gallery wall. It's really pretty. It's like a vintage sketch. Nice for the kitchen dining area for sure. I took an oil painting class in college, and I kind of want to get back to it and test out my skills by doing a still life of my own for fun, you know, just to see what it would look like. And that way I'd be able to control the colors and the things I want in the painting. So maybe that's a project I'll try to take on for fun after this is over with, and maybe replace, if it's good, if I like it, replace some of this art with my own. I think that would be really fun. All right, well, let me show you the rest of the furniture and then let's get started styling a little bit tonight because I'm trying to finish this up for the most part this weekend, and it's Saturday evening, so I have some work to do. It is 2:39 a.m. and I've just been going away trying to style this massive shelf, and
It's been hours. I think I started at 11:30 or 12 o'clock. So 2.5 hours is crazy. But I just finished it for the evening and I'm gonna go ahead to sleep. I'm so tired. Let me show you what it looks like. We shall see.
Alexa, turn Jamal's office off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn Brianna's office off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the office on.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay guys, that is the tour. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching this makeover, supporting my channel. I'm so glad that we did this makeover. It was so needed. It's just so funny because before, because there was nowhere to go, I would just sit at my office space and eat my lunch. But now I have that separation of space and I can take a minute, take a beat, you know, go to the dining area, sit, maybe watch something on YouTube while I eat my lunch and just enjoy, which I really love because I needed that separation of space and somewhere to entertain friends and to just commune and enjoy. So I'm really enjoying the dining area, also enjoying the office area. I'm really enjoying having a more compact space, having the standing desk to go up and down, as well as just somewhere closer to the lights, more closer to the windows over here. Before, we were just facing a wall. Before, when we were exploring renting a new place with an office and a dining area, I just had a feeling that we could still recreate that here, so we didn't have to leave. And I'm really happy that we were able to make it work. And that's the really fun thing about interior design and home decor. Like, as you change as a person, your space will change with you, your environment will change with you, so you have to adapt. And this was our way of adapting. So I'm so happy with the way it came out. I feel like it's very cozy in our vibes. I love the art. I love the lighting. I love that they're Alexa connected too. So if I say, Alexa, turn the dining on, she listens. So, and I can also change the colors. Alexa, turn the dining to red. You see, and I really love that. It sets a vibe and a mooding. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm rambling at this point, but I really hope that you were inspired by this makeover, found something from it that you really liked or enjoyed. My next makeover will definitely be the bathroom space because, as mentioned previously in our apartment tour video, our bathroom space is like, there is no storage in there. We don't have a single cabinet to use. There are no drawers. So it's kind of a tricky situation. We have to make all the storage ourselves. And I think I want to build or have some type of bathroom cabinet in there that will help conceal a lot of the stuff that we have. So I think that might be a project down the line that you can look forward to. Also look forward to more New York City content now that I'm back on my feet again without my broken ankle. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for next time. Bye.